That's in the trees. It hit a tree. Oh my God. All right, guys, from last time, we saw the max slash do 75. Since then, we have geared up in pinion, down in spur. Let's see if we can hit 80 today. We got this bad girl on 8S already. Let's go ahead and get her fired up here. All right, and we're reading on the GPS. Let's go. Let's just see how fast we can get. Oh my God, that was a terrible wreck. Oh my God. Oh my God, no. My GPS still hung on. I think everything did. My GPS is definitely coming apart, which that sucks. All right, we're gonna get another speed run here. Still running though.
How fast do you think it went?
I think it went 65. I don't think we're getting up there. The problem is I use the TQI radio with TSM on it to help me go straight, but this FSGT5's gyro doesn't work like the old one does. Stop, read. 73, and I wasn't full throttle, so we might hit 80 today, but I'm gonna have to do some work on this GPS because she decides that she wants to come apart here. So let's get that done real quick. All right, we got the GPS back in there. Let's see if we can hit 80.
Mr. Allen's getting angry. Oh, look, you have a plant. Oh, it's so cute now.
I know.
It's got a little accessory.
So this controller is supposed to have a gyro on here, but it doesn't do anything. That was like 80%. Oh my God!
That was insane.
I think that might have hit 80. See if we can do it one more time. Woo! Boys, I think that might have been an 80 bomb right there. Let's see. Stop, read. 78, no way, dude! Going down to a 46 and up to a 29 only gets you 3 miles an hour more. 30 bucks wasn't worth it at all. We're gonna try it one more time. Hopefully we don't grenade this hobby wing motor. Let's get it. I was on full throttle there for a minute. Fudge. Fudge.
Fudge, Jiminy Cricket's crackers. In the arms of an angel.
Let's go see what we got. 'Cause I still like to use this motor for bashing later. That looked pretty bad.
Yeah, that looked insane. I think we got like 85.
85?
Yeah.
All right, ready? Stop, read. 81! We hit 80! Yes, we hit 80. Let's go, boys. I bet I could get 83 out of it, but let's go bash this baby on 8S. Let's go. All right, I know you guys want to see this thing bash on 8S, so we brought it to the best place possible. We brought it to our humongous jump place that you guys have been asking for. So let's go and bash the world's strongest max slash on these jumps on 8S. Let's go. All right, I've been wanting to bash this thing on 8S, so I'm not sure how long it's gonna last with the 1650 kV motor. But there she's singing to us, and let's go make this thing fly, boys. All right, first jump of today, boys. It's gonna be this new jump that they built. Thank you for this. And a little nice landing here. Let's get the 8S max slash going and see just how far she's gonna fly. As I miss it and slam into a rock. That was wonderful. Oh my God. Oh my God, battery ejecto mod. Oh my God, that was the first jump of the day. What the heck broke? Strap is fine. Batteries are fine. Okay. Okay. That was insane but the best part is the body didn't even fall off. I'm guessing this strap broke. Oh yeah. Yeah, the main strap broke there. Well, that's great. I don't have another one for that today. Well, guys, gotta be back another day because strap broke on there. What you know, cheap straps break all the time. All right, guys, we got the world's strongest max slash, and we're gonna be taking it over to a skate park. Finally got a little bit of alone time here. Let's go see how it does. All right, guys, been waiting so long to drive the Max Slash out here at the skate park. Let's see if we break any of the M2C parts or Trio parts, or is it gonna be the strongest Max Slash known to man? Let's go. Oh, try to go for a little rail grind there. Send it off this big one over here now. Ooh, body's off. Body's off, that was a good fly right there. All right, hope y'all enjoyed that one. That one was quite crazy. Get another good send here. Dang, body. Oh, that's a wall. No. That was a chassis breaker. So far, not too bad. It's not bending anything. Go get another big send right here. That's in the trees. It hit a tree. My God. All right, guys, this is the state I found my Max Slash in after that massive tree jump. She's upside down, battery's still intact. Nothing's broke, the body just won't stay on. Do what Thunder RC does and have to end up zip tying the body, but this thing is a blast out here. I think it really is the world's strongest Max Slash at this point. Something would have definitely already broke. The body is just so bad though. Gonna climb the rail? Kind of. All right, we're gonna try to hit this big lip right here. We're gonna see where it goes. Woo, that was a chassis breaker. One more again, without the body. Oh, yeah. Thank you guys for being understanding. It all held together there. Oh my God. Oh my God, world's strongest Max Slash. I don't even think the M2C bar is bent yet. Nothing's broke. Body just won't stay on. Almost cool. Woo, there goes the battery ejecto. It's fun acting like I can't drive to test the durability of stuff. Pretty sure no stock truck can take hits like this. Still running just fine after all that. Oh, I got it. No. That was aggressive. Very aggressive. I think it's taking it though. I'm literally trying to break this thing, guys, and it's holding up. Oh. Oh. Oh, the ESC, the little mounting plate for the ESC broke off, and I think I bent the M2C plate. Oh, all right, guys. I mean, I don't think much could survive that, but oh my God. Oh my God, that was a terrible landing on my part. I mean, I'm trying to break this thing. Yeah, that's probably it for today with the backslash. Finally did break something, so we'll get another ESC plate and get back on it. I hope y'all enjoyed.